I guess it's interesting. I have conversations with clients and others that are in the auto repair business, and kind of for the technical term would be poo-poo on the tire business and refer to a tire technician as a tire buster. I would just have to say that's probably a 70s or 80s term that was used, and today's technician and what's required and what's going to be required in terms of tooling and training to service today's vehicles and tomorrow's vehicles, it takes a sizable investment, and it's not something that you say, oh, okay, I'm going to get in the tire business. That sounds like a good idea, another revenue stream. I think you really have to look at it long and hard, because there is a cost to get into the business today and do it right. And tires are already included with chips. They'll be reporting to the cars. It's happening in medium truck. As cars become autonomous, somebody's got to keep up with that. They'll be reporting to the cars. So that's going to be an interesting thing that we have to look at. But for us in our business and in the tire business, and percentage wise, about 55% of our revenue is derived from tire sales and 45% from auto service. And it's been pretty consistent for the past 10 years. That's been a pretty good mix of what we do. And we're exceeding industry averages on GP. I know what auto repair GP is. Average repair order is, of course, less, but we see a lot more. We see a lot more cars, and so we have a lot of opportunities. My thing is with tires, and talking about retention, it's an opportunity for relationships over and over and over. From air pressure getting checked to a tire rotation, I want, if somebody has a mobility issue, I want them to be thinking about us.